In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix computer stuck on BIOS screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your SSD or HDD isn't listed as the first boot device, the computer won't actually know what Windows is. So what you want to do is look for the boot or storage tab. In my instance, it's boot. And then all you want to do is ensure your Windows Boost Manager or your specific SSD name is at the top of the list. So you want to go to Windows Boot Manager again. Make sure it's at the very top of the list because that should be the priority. And if it isn't, then go ahead and make it the priority. Then all you want to do is, if Secure Boot is enabled, try disabling it. So what you want to do is go over to Secure Boot, which is this option right here. And if it's currently enabled, go ahead and make it disabled as well. And that should definitely help too, if you want it to. And yeah, what you can also do is reset BIOS to optimize default. So look for the exit or save to exit tab. So I'm going to go to exit right here. Once you go to exit, what you can go ahead and do is load optimize defaults to see if that works too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.